How to share Holafly data. Follow these steps. Verify that your Holafly eSIM plan supports hotspot functionality. Visit the Holafly website. Navigate to your eSIM's destination page. Click on Technical Specs and check the Hotspot section for availability details. Enable Hotspot on your device. For iPhone, open Settings. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Toggle the switch next to Allow Others to Join to on. For Android, go to Settings. Tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap on Mobile Hotspot and toggle it to on. Configure hotspot settings. Set a secure password for your hotspot. Note the network name. Connect other devices. On the device you wish to connect, search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your hotspot's network name. Enter the password you set to establish the connection. Thanks for watching.